Alex. I'm the creator of CTFGuide, and today I'm just going to show you guys how you can use the new, well, it's not exactly new because it already exists on the old version of the website, but essentially I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create challenges for the website. So obviously when I say create a challenge, I mean the challenges we see here. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to head to the create portion of the website. If I click create, you'll see the creator dashboard, and you'll see three categories here: your challenges, your lessons, and obviously the revenue you've earned from those lessons you made. So right away you see that I've already created a challenge. This is actually a migrated challenge from back when CTF Guide used Firebase. So you can see obviously this is how the dashboard would look like. You have the views, attempts, and successful attempts. So I'm actually going to create a new challenge because that's what's actually the new feature here. So if I click create challenge, I'm created with this UI here, right? So I'm going to go ahead. I kind of already made a challenge, but I'm just going to name it hidden text because that's kind of what the challenge is about. I'm going to give this the category basic because it is a pretty easy challenge. And then I'm going to be like, here, I'll just be like, hey, woof, bark, mega. Because at the file host, I'm going to upload this challenge to. So I actually have this image here. I'm just going to say image because I don't want to spoil the challenge, but actually I'm going to spoil the challenge either way because I'm going to show the flag at the end. But anyway, I have magic.jpg here, and I'm going to go ahead to a file host. I suggest using Mega. So I'm going to go here, click upload file, and then here we can see magic.jpg. This is the file I want to put in. So it's going to upload. Hopefully it doesn't do any of that key nonsense. So if I want to share this, accept my cookies here. Okay, cool. All right, don't know what I just did, but if I click this here, there should be a way for me to share it. So hopefully export link decryption key separately. So ideally I just have to click that just to confirm. If I place this in here, cool, I think you'll be able to download the image. All right, good. So I'm going to copy that URL, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. I'm just going to paste the link here. Now for your challenge hints, you can put whatever you want. So I mean, ideally, you want to make it like it's a step-by-step process. Eventually, CTF Guide Pro users would be able to see the solution, but they won't earn points for it. So for the hint, I'm going to be like, there's something wrong with the image. Why could that be? If I could type, what could that be? And two, be like, maybe use a different program to view the image. Perhaps text editor. And then actually I forget the solution. So I'm going to open this spoiler for people who really want to know this challenge that bad. I'm going to open this in text edit. Assuming I can find it. There you go. Text edit, open. There we go. The flag is CTF Guide dogs. I'm going to go ahead and copy that here. I'm going to put it in the challenge solution. So challenge solution, all this looks good. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead, click send for approval. It's going to say saved, and you'll receive an email when your challenge is approved. And that's true because you will get that. It should reload, but it's not doing that. But don't worry, it's been created. So if I go back to the leaderboard, if I go back to the create dashboard, we're not going to see the challenge here. I just pushed this update to production, so I really hope that it's working fine. And right away I see, okay, cool, the our stuff has been uploaded here. So if I click this link here, actually this link anyone can enter. Wait, did I just do that in localhost? Okay, never mind, we're all good. So I'm gonna log into my CTFGuide account here, click this link here. What's going on? I'm gonna click here again, log in again. This is a little bit awkward. Challenge practice, copy this thing here. One. Choose the challenges. Okay. I don't know what happened here. Is this not even the right link or something? It's pretty strange. I don't know why it's doing that. But anyway, here we can see your challenge here. And you can actually do this yourself. So, actually, I'm not sure. Can you do it by yourself? But what's going on with the authentication? Something's busted. If I go to create, Okay, I guess you won't be able to see it, but if you somehow are able to find the ID, it is actually still shareable because the link will still work, but you just won't be it won't be on like the practice page. So ideally, here's where you'd see your challenge. People can post comments, they can solve the challenge. Just to show you that the flag works, I think it was CTF guide dogs, right? If I click submit flag, it should say, wow, it's a weird visual bug, but it'll say nice hacking partner, and then it'll give you 100 points. Now, because we set the difficulty to 100, we set the difficulty to easy, we're gonna get 100 points. If it's medium, you'll get 200. If it's hard, you'll get 300. So now if I reload this page again here, we're gonna say, it'll say I've solved the challenge, obviously. That's just how CTF Guide works, right? So then this, you guys won't be able to see this, but because I'm a developer and a moderator, I'll be able to control the challenge here. So the moment I click verify challenge, I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Hopefully, it pings everyone here. Hidden text, description, Wood Park Mega, and then this is essentially for people to see the challenge, like on the Discord server, right? And then the cool thing is you don't necessarily have to be on the Discord to always be like, you don't have to always be watching that channel to see if your challenge is uploaded, because we'll just go ahead and send you an email. And as you can see earlier, I tried this, but here at 8:12 p.m., it says, "Hello, Laftize. We're happy to let you know that your challenge hidden text is verified and can now be seen by others on CTF Guide. We appreciate your contribution to CTF Guide." So yeah, this is how you know your challenge is verified. And lastly, you should double check yourself. Go to your difficulty. Let's see, obviously easy for this one. Here we see our challenge, hidden text. Now, I right away realized that there's a bug right now, but later, if you guys are watching at a later time, it should show up here. Um, I'm not exactly sure why it's not showing up here, but don't worry, I know that you made it, so eventually I'll upload a patch fixing that issue. But yeah, this video ended.